Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, this is a collab video with my girl Tony. She's Craftpurge on YouTube and Craftpurge on Instagram. If you guys don't know who Tony is, then you've been living under a rock. So we have decided to do a tag flip and swap the tag flips, but using the same paper pad, which is the Cheeky Modern Pop from Michaels that was sold like about a few months ago, and it's currently clearance at the stores right now. So if you guys want to pick this up, definitely check it out now because they're on sale. I also used the Funky Fresh because it kind of went together. You see that this one has like the pool and this one has the pool as well, so I figured they'd go together. Actually, these are donuts and pizza, and oh, that's the same thing. I think like little floaties, donut floaties, so they all go together. So we decided to do a tag flip using the same paper pad so that you guys can see what mine would look like and then what hers would look like. I have already received her box. She hasn't received mine yet, but hers goes out tomorrow. So you guys will be seeing a video from her unboxing, and I'm gonna show you guys a video unboxing her goodies. So I used the 12 by 12 because I wanted to make her some gift bags, kind of like what she did for me. I wanted to do some gift bags using the same kind of collection, so I needed a 12 by 12. Luckily Funky Fresh kind of went well with Cheeky Modern. So yeah, I want to show you guys what my tag flip looks like and what her box that I created looks like. Let me move this out of the way and show you guys what we have going on here. Now I still have to add like crinkle paper and stuff like that, but this is what I made for her. And that's what the first flap looks like. I added some fun pom-poms on both ends. And then on this side, just some of the little cut aparts. Super fun. Cheeky Modern is very like 80s vibe, very colorful, rainbowish. So that's what I wanted to do for this package. This is her tag flip that I created, but I'll show you that in a second. I want to show you guys, I'm not going to show you the goodies that I'm sending her. I'm just showing you how I packaged it up. So I made the little gift bags, like I said, from the 12 by 12 Funky Fresh. So I made her this one with some goodies inside, as well as this one. And I used these clips that were sent to me in some Happy Mail because they went perfect, and I didn't have any blue, and I love those. And then here's another little bag that I just put some goodies for her. And there's this one. There's this one. And we have this one. And then in here I added some embellishments and just a little gift, some candy, a cute little pen. I'm not gonna be taking that out because it has a bunch of confetti. But yeah, you guys, that's just a little box that I wanted to send my swap in because she did the same for me. So I wanted to return the favor, being that I got her box first. And you guys, here is the tag flip. And this is what the first page looks like. Super cute. I love how colorful this tag flip turned out. I did this super cute little like tassel with a bunch of colors. This is actually from Halloween last year, and I love it. I love the brightness of it from Michaels. I added little, what are these little closures from the, oh my god, I can't think of the name right now. You guys know what these are. I put those on all her tags. And then I backed a lot of her tags with glitter paper just to make them thick and fun. I also wanted to use these Faith Illustrated girls. They're so cute. I know they're kind of creepy looking with no face, but I like them. And I hope she likes them too. I used a lot of the stickers from the Modern Cheeky. I gave her this cute little wood veneer heart. Here's just a little like Project Life card with a little camera. Here's another tag, one of those like hard tags from Michaels. I put this cute little donut. I put yum, some little enamel dots. I made her some envelopes. I put some goodies inside. Then there was this tag from a paper pad from Michaels. I thought it was fun with the little musical notes punched out. So I added that. I also made her a little mini embellishment box with just some goodies inside. That's what that looks like. Sorry if the lighting is off, you guys, but it's 11:44 at night and I just really wanted to get this video out before I ship this package out to her. This is the next one with another one of those little girls and this cute little frame and the camera. Added some stickers here for her. Another little fun tag with some star trim. This cute little like pocket tag with this little flower and some of the little cut aparts. Another little envelope with some goodies inside. I just decorated a little bit with the little pieces from the paper pad. A little wooden tag. This cute little tag with some summer glasses and this cute little fringe I added to it. Gave her some more little goodies. And then I added these fun little glasses here. Just added a cute little flower right there at the end. And then you guys, how cute is this tag? So fun. It's this cute little like wood veneer unicorn and I added a little blue bow. Absolutely love how this tag came out. I gave her a little washi, some little sequins, and of course the little tassel. But yeah, you guys, that's how her tag turned out. I am super happy with how chunky it looks and fun. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely go check out Tony's video and stay tuned for my unboxing video of what she sent me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.